Explainer videos can be used for every step of your marketing funnel, from brand awareness to brand advocacy. Today, we'll look at 5 awareness videos we have produced for our clients and why they work. Hey, I'm Mina from Kashu. Let's watch some animations. Before we see why explainer videos are perfect for the awareness stage of your marketing funnel, let's see exactly what this stage is. Brand awareness shows how much consumers are familiar with your brand, services, and the products you sell. This is the first step of your marketing funnel, the moment that users learn about your business for the first time. The videos in the brand awareness stage need to introduce the brand and the consumer problem it solves. Your prospects might be aware of the problem they have, or your video can help them understand an issue they didn't realize they face. Here's how we did that in the following videos. Loox is a company that collects verified customer reviews. They needed a video that showcases the customer problem, people not buying from the website, and the solution Loox provides. By offering authentic customer testimonials, brands increase trust and conversions. Level 3 disrupts the healthcare system and offers a brand new way of providing insurance. This means that the video has to not only introduce the business, but also demonstrate the problems with the traditional system of healthcare insurance. We did that by introducing an antagonist that represents health insurance agents. Cloudcraft is another innovative service. It is an online platform that compares 3D printing vendors and handles your entire order, from payment to shipping. In the video, we raise brand awareness for our client by detailing the service benefits and the ease of use. Townsquare is an app that revolutionizes the real estate business by helping users list and sell their property online. The video starts by showing the negatives of the conventional way property is sold. In contrast, the benefits of Townsquare stand out even more. Which one of our brand awareness videos did you like best? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.